So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is my first channel. This is my first video, so please support me, and I hope that you like my videos. I will be posting my videos every day, and today we are going to play Among Us, and I hope that you also have played this game many times. So let's start. We are crewmate, which means that we are detectives. First, we will finish all our missions. I'll not go from here cause there are many risks. So only 2 people are left to vote. Yes, we have voted. This game is very interesting, by the way. I will like you to tell to download this game, and yes, it is not being sponsored. I am not sponsoring the game. The game is very nice. I like this game. I play this game every day. It's very interesting game. Oh no, I'm dead. Please, someone see the body. Why are they not seeing it? We lost. I got exited. I'll change my color to yellow. We are crewmate this time also. First we will go to admin. We will swipe the card. Then we will go to storage. We will fix the wire. Then we have to go to electrical to divert the power. Red is the imposter. Okay, so we will vote red. This game is very interesting, I'm telling you. Please download the game. People are voting. was an imposter. And I think Light Blue is also an imposter because yes, Light Blue is an imposter. I have suspect on Light Blue. Light Blue is an imposter. Oh no, I have to run away from Light Blue. We have to write Light Blue. He did fake. I'm gonna vote Light Blue because he was faking a task. Clearly he was faking a task. I'll show you how to find out that who is faking a task and who is not. Yes, I told you he was an imposter. He faked a task. I saw him faking a task. We won. We won. Yes. So guys, it was a very interesting game this time. Yeah, crewmate, I would like to be an imposter this time. First we will do our tasks very fast. Now I'll tell you how to find out that who is faking a task and who is not. See, I hope you can see a gun here on the right hand side outside the spaceship. See, that gun, when that gun shoots something red, that means someone is doing a task, and when that gun does not shoot anything, that means that guy is faking a task. Which language is he speaking in? I think dark blue. I'll go with dark blue. Please, dark blue. Yes. I have a suspect on light blue also. He skipped the voting. Why did he skip? Yes. He was not an imposter. This means that light blue is an imposter. Please stay away from light blue. And here's a task which can be faked. Oh no, I don't want to go with light blue. I'm going to go with light blue. Please vote light blue because he is an imposter. See, I had a suspect on light blue because he skipped the voting and he was roaming around. He went to security. Why will he go to security? There are no tasks in security. I am voting light blue. Oh, yes, light blue. Now I am sure that it is light blue. Now I am sure. Because he voted me. Why are they not trusting me? now he will kill. He has also written light blue, which means he will be voting light blue. There are two tasks which can be faked, which are fake. In the game, there are no tasks in the game. There are two tasks which is made fake. I'll show you. The first task I have shown, that how is he faking the task, you will know. Now I'll tell you. Yes, see, light blue was the imposter. We won again. I also want to be an imposter. Do you know how to become an imposter? If you know, then please comment down below. There are only 2 persons. I will leave this game and join another. It's packed. Guys, we are again crewmate. Why? The best thing in this game is to complete your tasks. What? We won? I think there was a hacker. I'm gonna leave this round. What? Yes, there was a hacker. He was crewmate with me. As he did a task, I saw him doing the task. Yes, he was a crewmate. Then I think he hacked he hacked the game between. Please start the game. Please start the game. I'll be changing my hat continuously. In one video I saw that by continuously changing your hat you can be imposter every time. But does that work? Guys, we are imposter for the first time. Come on, we have to win. We have to sabotage and kill everyone. Fake tasks, storage, fix wiring. Okay, first we will wear a storage. Oh no, my partner just killed one person, and I'm also going to kill one. I used vent and I hide it there. Now I am going to act like I don't know who is the imposter. Yes, we won the game. We won this round and I was imposter this round. This game is very interesting if you become an imposter. So I like this round. This round was amazing. Like I just killed one person and my teammate also killed one person. Then he did an emergency meeting. Then I think many people left the game, so that is why we won the game. I'm going to continuously change my hats, and we are crewmate. Yes, this task takes much time. This is the longest task in this game. I'll not do this task because I will die. Where and who? why that game had a hacker. Because see, I had my lights when there was fixing lights. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you for watching my channel, and please subscribe, like and share. Please like, share and subscribe, please. And I hope that you like today's video. So bye bye.